Hi everyone, today we are going to show you another awesome and very simple shifty tip. If you are fed up with the cutting board sliding up and down on the kitchen table, just do the following. Put the kitchen cloth on the table, pour some water on it and put the cutting board on the top. Instead of a kitchen cloth, you can use a thin sponge or paper towels. We suggest the latter. It also works with hard and soft plastic cutting boards as well. That's it. Useful, isn't it?
That's the shifty way. If you like this video, you might be interested in some other stuff. Click to watch these awesome tips as well. If you don't want to miss our new videos on every Thursday, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.